coming to grab the iPad so I can make sure that I know who's actually in the building and who's been signed out. I need to grab the key. Key to the gate.
And what do you think the cranky PJ Masks bear would be doing in this book?
He's gonna eat a big man.
Going to eat a big man.
There's a fire in the kitchen. We have to evacuate.
Oh, thank
He's
you.
gonna eat a
Miss
fire.
Kristen, could you grab the bag?
He's gonna
roll and check the toilets for me?
eat fire. Yeah.
Okay, Albie and Taylor, kindergarten. We might have to read this book outside by the fence today because Miss Anne has just told me there is a fire. So could we all stand up and walk to the door, please? Walk into the gate, please.
Help Miss Chris, that's it.
Oh, good job, guys. Now I believe the fire is in the kitchen, so we need to go to our meeting point in the Toddy's playground. Here you go, guys. Xavier, can you please pick a partner and hold that one? Pick a partner. Let's go, guys. Pick a partner. Come on over, guys. Let's go. Beautiful walking, my friends.
Ow! Mikey, look!
I need to evacuate.
Now all the educators and children have gathered in the designated evacuation area inside our yard. Each room performs a roll call and all children and staff are accounted for. We need to make sure that all children are calm and happy at all times. If it's not safe for us to perform the roll call in our yard, we exit directly to our second destination evacuation area outside into our car park. As the responsible person in charge, I ask each educator and our cook, have they checked all rooms and closed windows and doors? Once everyone is accounted for, we move to our second evacuation area into our car park. We continue to keep the children calm, tell them what's going to happen, tell the children we're going to sit on the rug and in the shade, and to read books and sing songs. And that the fire brigade will turn up soon with their sirens blaring, but everything will be okay and there's nothing to be scared of. They're going to check at our centre and make sure that there's no fire and that we're all safe. We've made sure that I've got my iPad, which I can make sure that all the children that we have within our service is accounted for. Also have my mobile, so now that the children are out here safe, I will be making sure that I will call the fire brigade and then head office and then start calling families. In my evacuation trolley, I have all the contacts for the families and also the staff contacts as well, which is very important. I have some rugs that we lay down onto the ground so that the children are comfortable, and we have storybooks. The staff will be able to sing songs to them just to keep them occupied. So there you have it. Our fire drills are efficient and calm. The reason we practice these fire drills so regularly is to ensure the children are aware of what's happening so things run smoothly on the day. If we have to evacuate because of a real fire, we practice the fire drills once a month at different times during the day. It could be early in the morning, in the afternoon, or during rest period, because you just never know when a fire or emergency could happen. The children are very confident, and as soon as they hear that siren, they know exactly what to do. They look and listen to their educators, and things run smoothly.
Evacuation gate, and we need to go sit into the car park, okay? Where we would wait for what? What will we wait for?
The fireman.
The firemen, and they will come, they will check to make sure it is safe for us to come back, okay?
There's a real fire.
if there is a real fire.